Welcome back to the channel. Welcome. If you're looking for the perfect RSS reader that integrates seamlessly with the GNOME desktop, NewsFlash is an outstanding choice. Designed with a modern and elegant interface, it fits perfectly into the GNOME environment, offering a smooth and native experience. Adding new RSS feeds is incredibly easy. Just enter the URL of any web page or YouTube channel, and NewsFlash automatically retrieves the RSS feed for you, saving you time and effort. Organization is simple with NewsFlash. You can categorize your feeds into folders, keeping everything neatly arranged. The search functionality is powerful and quick, allowing you to find specific articles or topics across all your feeds without any hassle. The reading experience is also top-notch, with a clutter-free format that makes it easy to focus on the content. Whether you're reading long articles or just skimming headlines, NewsFlash ensures that the content is front and center, even offering a dark mode for better nighttime reading. NewsFlash respects your preferences by allowing you to customize notifications, so you only get alerts for the updates that matter to you. It also integrates smoothly with external services like Feedly or InnoReader, syncing your feeds across devices for a consistent reading experience wherever you are. As an open-source project, NewsFlash values privacy, with no ads or trackers, ensuring that your data stays your own. In summary, NewsFlash is a simple, efficient, and well-integrated RSS reader that enhances your GNOME desktop experience. Whether you follow many sources or just want a hassle-free way to stay informed, NewsFlash is a must-have tool that delivers on all fronts. Give it a try, and it might just become your go-to app for staying connected to the world.